Suddenly, we are in Amsterdam at the Schuberg Philis headquarters. And here I'm meeting Kim van Wilgen to talk about her membership in the panel on Transformational Leadership Europe.
I love to be part of Transformational Leadership Europe because it gives the opportunity to deep dive with co-leaders into the concept of leadership, which is a whole realm of knowledge that we have yet mostly to uncover. So I think that where the world is moving, the speed at which organizations are transforming, we don't only desire, but we need different styles of leadership. So unique about Transformational Leadership Europe is that the stage is covered with only women. And I think this is the best opportunity to deep dive into the concept of feminine leadership, which can be embraced by men as well. But it's a style that has much more empathy, love, care, and long-term orientation. And this long-term orientation is exactly what we need in addition to the result-focused, scoring-focused orientation that came from male leadership. So I look forward to unpack that one together. So the key message I would love to share is that I see a trend moving towards servant leadership, which is a leadership style that focuses much on people and their desires. But it also relies on these people to set the vision and to clearly articulate all the needs that they have towards the leader. And that means that it's one of the most advanced leadership styles that you can grow into. And there's no straight path towards this leadership style. You cannot go from transactional leadership straight to, hey, you decide the purpose, you decide the mission, and good luck. So if you want to go there, it will take all of your leadership skills to mature your team towards that state. And that means that you have to be an excellent transformational leader. It means that you will have to be able to grow your team to the state where they can actually own the mission. And how to do that is a lovely topic to discuss together.